Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to install this update, that is KB5079473 on your Windows 11 computer. Now the first step is to run this command. So type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab, make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator, click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command. All these commands are provided in the video description. Paste it, hit the enter key. Now this will run a scan. The scan will take some time. Once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command and then paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete over here, then copy the third command and then paste it on the same window and then hit the enter key. And once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working, then open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, and over here you can see pause option, hit pause over here. And once it is paused, you can click on resume updates and then you can check. So this may take some time, and once it is paused you will see resume updates option over here. So click on resume updates and then check. Still not working, type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Find app readiness, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted and then click on OK. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted and then make a right click and then click on restart and make a right click on app readiness as well and then click on restart. And find Windows Update in the list. So scroll down, somewhere at the bottom you will see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK, make a right click on Windows Update, then click on restart. So click on resume updates. Now if you see retry option over here, you can click on retry and then try to update. Still not working. The next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. You can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. On this website, you can write down the name of the update, that is KB507. KB507. It's 9473. 9473. And then click on search. Now check your Windows version first. So type in WINVER in Windows search box, then click on WinVer run command. Check your version. In my case the version is 25H2 and then check your system type. Open Windows settings, go to system and then scroll down, go to about option, and over here in my case the system type is 64-bit. So for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. This is the right one for me. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me this is the right one. Now click on download and then click on the update, that is KB5079473, and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file and you can install this update manually, restart your computer and then check. Still not working, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to advanced option, scroll down, click on recovery option. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once done, you can check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. You can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then you can run this exe file. Run this exe file and then click on accept over here. By default Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next, select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop, click on save. Now let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish and let this close automatically. It will take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute to close. Once closed, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept, and over here you can see ready to install. By default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, you can restart your computer and then try to update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.